Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell Roblox digital cards. First, understand that these cards represent a specific amount of Robux, like 1,000 Robux for a $10 card or a $25 card for 2,000 Robux. Begin by identifying the exact value of your card and ensuring it is unused. Next, research reputable online marketplaces or platforms where digital gift cards are frequently traded. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful sale. Choosing the right platform is paramount for a secure and efficient sale. Look for marketplaces with strong buyer protection and clear transaction processes. Some popular options include specialized gift card exchange sites or general e-commerce platforms. Always review their fee structures. Some might charge a flat fee, perhaps $1, or a percentage, like 5 to 10% of the sale price. Ensure the platform supports your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. When creating your listing, be precise and transparent. Clearly state the card's value, for example, a $50 Roblox card, and any regional restrictions. Use high-quality images if applicable, though for digital codes, a clear description is key. Research current market prices for similar Roblox cards to set a competitive yet profitable price. You might aim for 90 to 95% of the face value, depending on demand. A well-crafted listing attracts serious buyers. The final steps involve secure delivery and payment verification. Always confirm that the buyer's payment has fully cleared before sending the digital code. Never send the code based on a screenshot of a payment or a pending transaction. Once payment is confirmed, deliver the code promptly through the platform's secure messaging system. Keep a record of the transaction and the delivered code. This diligence helps protect you from potential fraud and ensures a successful, hassle-free sale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.